Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, Oppo unveils its rollable smartphone concept. Oppo is no stranger to shaking up to smartphone design status quo. Back in 2013, the Oppo N1 had a rotating camera, followed by 2018 Find X, which got rid of notch thanks to its slide-out cameras. Now, the maker is yet again redefining the norms with its Oppo X 2021 rollable concept smartphone. The biggest wow factor with this device is that it does not have a fixed display size is it can adjust between 6.7 inch and all the way 7.4 inch in diagonal, which presents new opportunity for developers and user. Oppo give the example of clicking a video link which then result in the screen adjusting for the aspect ratio on its own. In its basic form, the display is 6.7 inches. It's an OLED panel with proprietary wrap track high strength screen laminate, part of which it sides below the actual display, and it's just 0.1 millimeter thick at its thinnest point. We don't get specific on actual material on the outside layer of the display, but is presumably some sort of plastic. Thanks to its dual rolling motors underneath the display, Oppo managed to achieve a zero cross screen, something current foldable are still trying to overcome. The motors can retract and extend the display with quality distribute force on a both halves. The Oppo X 2021 also featured a dynamic frame that include a fixed frame and a moving on one place on a top. The two-in-one plate design with no segment gaps help prevent the screen from collapsing thanks to the metal support layers underneath the panel. There are no actual release plans we can look forward for the upcoming Oppo X 2021. In fact, the phone will likely never launch in its current form. However, we will occasionally be on the lookout for announcement of market-ready devices that leverage its technology. So, this is the new Oppo X 2021, the floatable smartphone but with the new design. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this new concept smartphone? And also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.